Hi! I know that all of you think that I am nature. I am not nature. I have returned. I am Princess Nature. 5 years ago, I decided to choose nature's body to come in to this reality and teach the human race how to love, serve, heal, educate, entertain, and free all sentient beings through the art of cosmic comedy and lots of tantric sex. See, I come from a planet called Yonitopia, and it is a land of wonder and delight, covered in satin sheets and edible lubrication and chocolate and all the things that make yonis and the universe wonderful. The universe, not the universe, the universe, you idiots, the universe. And nature's been really kind in letting me use this body. I had to take him away for the weekend. We missed a few shows because I wanted to have a long, extended, connected winter solstice with him. So I took him back to our planet to teach him, to show him how to stick it in the yoni. Where do you think he learned to be so sexy and so funny? From me, Princess Nature. Excuse me. I'm just trying to, don't want to offend anybody with my other parts. And a lot of people are questioning whether nature is, a little woo-woo, little gay, little fruity. And I'm here to tell you that boy loves yoni. I have never seen or heard of a man going down inside the yoni for so long. I have just never seen it. It is unlike anything you have ever seen. It's just down there for days. I feel like I have 2 yonis after this weekend. Oh my goddess. Woo! Little sore, little ecstatic, little blissful. My whole body's just kind of tingling from the whole experience, and so is his. He's a little worn out. That's why I'm here today, so he doesn't have to make all of you laugh or teach you about tantra or anything. I'm here to do it. Anyway, just wanted to wish you all a happy winter solstice, and we only have 7 days of voting left for the nature, and I'm here to tell you, as a starseed being, I taught him everything he knows, and he is worthy of your vote, the sexiest and funniest raw vegan male. And you can vote for him at bestofraw.net. And you can see other videos of him at naturesdreams.info to see his art, and myspace.com/naturecomedy. And if you have any questions for him, you can email him at artnaturemusic@gmail.com, or friend him at facebook.com/naturedreamweaver. And I love you all so much, and I will be back to teach, to enlighten, to be free and free all sentient beings.